Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
One of the most vicious matches in WWE, this last man standing match is underway.
We've seen competitors knock their opponents out. We've seen them trap their opponent under anything they can find. It doesn't matter how you do it, as long as they're down for the 10 count.
Strong shove there. Collar and elbow. Losing some ground, getting their back against the ropes.
Locking up with one another.
Oh boy, making a statement with that shove.
Counter. He knew just what to do. Boom! Boom! Did you hear the impact?
Head down to the gut.
Heads outside the ring.
And no countouts means he can take his time.
Springboard! Oh no, went big and pays for it.
You roll the dice and now could end up with a fractured rib for your trouble.
Well, let's hope that's not the case. We'll hate to see things end because of that mistake.
So much disdain with each of these shots. Something about this is starting to feel way more personal.
The rules of a last man standing match seem simple, but what's an element of this match some might overlook?
Location. You can and must take this battle anywhere. It'll be that much harder for your opponent to answer the count if there's no ropes or barricades around to help them up. Dropping the elbow.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy. Uh-oh. Big back body drop.
Oh, look at this. Just cranking the head. That's gotta hurt.
Ooh. He's pumped up, and so is this crowd. Evades the attack.
Shots up.
I don't know how you can withstand any more offense after that.
And getting back to his feet ends the count.
This last man standing match rolls on.
Oh, and that's what you get for disrespecting your opponent.
Ooh, elbow strike.
Oh, look at this. Boot right to the throat. He's looking to take things to the outside now. Get this back into the ring now. Putting it into the ref's count there.
He's got that look in his eye. It's go time.
Taking the action to the outside.
Might be taking a breather here.
And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something.
He's looking to absolutely destroy his opponent with that chair.
Taking to the floor. And he's got no worries about the count. Oh, a horrific crack in the back. Just a ghastly shot.
Repeated hits like that are going to add up very quick. Plenty of damage being dealt here.
He's out of the ring. What does he have in mind now?
Ooh, jarring European uppercut.
He got nailed by that last attack. Working on the arm wringer. Oh, and a kick. That was nasty.
From behind.
German suplex. He gets back into the ring.
He wants his crowd on their feet. He wants them to make some noise.
He's heading to the top turnbuckle. Fishing for something beneath the ring.
Sky high.
You gotta be kidding me.
That's going to be on highlight reels for a long time.
Incredible courage to even attempt that.
And he gets back to his feet.
He's still got a lot of life left. Uh-oh.
The arms are hooked.
Tiger suplex. Back into the ring now. And he's looking to the crowd for some much-needed support.
Moves from the ring to the outside.
Uh-oh, winding up.
Samoan spike. Now he has to finish the job.
It is his time to take care of business.
It isn't over yet. Answering the count, the match goes on.
Big back body drop. You see the height on that? Uh-oh.
Oh, man. Turns that into a devastating shot to the knee. And he's back on his feet. The ref count has to stop.
Jaw-shattering boot.
Back to a standing position. That stops the count.
This one's not over yet.
Kinshasa.
Man.
Absolutely devastated.
Okay, he should really focus on the match now. We get the point.
That's 7. It's getting close.
And yes, he's made it back to his feet.
Breaking the count, and he might be back in this fight.
Cuts the attack off.
And hold on. Are we looking at the prelude to the end of it all?
Phenomenal forearm.
Will he get on with it already? This is a fight. Here we go again. He made his point. Concentrate on the match instead of everything outside of it. He might just be stalling for time here.
Rising up and stopping the count here.
A display of defiance.
Goodness, that was bad. We are seeing a lot of guts, a lot of determination out there. You have to wonder where that one turning point to end this will come from.
We might be in the final moments of this match.
Gotta dig deep. And getting back to his feet ends the count.
This last man standing match rolls on.
And of course, oh no. Samoan spike to the throat.
He might be finished.
He'll make his way to the ring.
And he has no regard for anyone else now that he has the sledgehammer in hand.
The count ends there.
Able to rally and get back up on 2 feet.
He's headed out to the ringside area. And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one.
These two have learned each other so well.
This capacity crowd is sending him love, and he's sending it right back.
Okay, he should really focus on the match now. We get the point.
And he gets back to his feet.
He's still got a lot of life left.
Targeting the throat there.
At this stage, the damage is really mounted.
At this point in the match, there's no time to recover. The damage is done.
Oh, driver!
Spiked him.
We can sense the whole WWE Universe behind him right now.
Okay, he should really focus on the match now. We get the point.
Oh, man, he is more than fired up right now. Caught with that sharp elbow.
Ooh, nothing fancy with that boot.
Slamming the door shut on this match.
On wobbly legs, but still somehow in this fight.
Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
Oh, no. Now that he has the kendo stick, I definitely do not want to be in his path of destruction.
Trap the arm.
And the neck breaker. He's getting pumped, he's getting focused, and he's taking the WWE Universe with him.
Okay, he should really focus on the match now. We get the point. The ref at 7 now.
Things are looking dire right now.
And he's back on his feet. The ref count has to stop. Uh-oh. Boom! Good defense from him.
A chain of reversals here. Every motion getting cut off. No signs of either combatant backing down.
Ooh. Giving up now is not an option. They have to finish this.
It looks like we've got ourselves a brawl here.
The willpower, the sheer guts of these two.
Oh.
Exhaustion setting in, and neither one of them is letting up.
Two fighters putting their haymakers on autopilot right now.
This is a war of attrition with neither superstar wanting to be the one who surrenders.
He's making his way to ringside now. He quickly slides into the ring. Is this it? Is this going to be the final count?
Time's practically standing still now.
Winding up. There's a Samoan spike. Ouch. Can that be it? Can that be all he needs? He's got the support of the whole arena right now.
Officials count at 7.
We're close to the end.
And the official calls it. Clearly, they cannot fight any longer.
Here is your winner, Big Nasty. An absolutely impressive performance and win here tonight.
This is the product of hard work and in-ring adaptability. He's got all the tools, and he put them to use tonight.